Hello, can anyone guess where I am? At first, many people, according to the suit, maybe they will mistake me for Michael Jackson or by this round glass. They will mistake me for Harry Potter, but they must see in a combination of this hair, this glass, this suit, and that song I have just played. I was Jonathan. I'm Jonathan. No, I dressed up like Jonathan, but I'm really learned from high school, and I'm glad to be here today to talk to you about the Beatles. When I know the topic of my talk today is the thing of England that impresses me most. Nothing but the Beatles has come to my mind and overwhelmed all other things, and I look forward to this day to share my love for the Beatles with all of you. It is nearly 15 years since the first day of the Beatles, but they've always been regarded as the greatest band of all time. And the reason is simple. What they sang among their songs and messages of love to the world in a very useful way. When I was just a little boy, I knew nothing about song or some great emotion of love or hatred. My mom used to play texts of the Beatles, and my uncle, who can play the guitar very well, played many popular songs of the Beatles like Let It Be, Yesterday, Reach You Back, and Let Me Go. And I'm so lucky to be in a musical environment like that. I listen to the Beatles song every day, and very naturally I fell in love with them. I love the songs, the rhythm, the way they sing, the way they play the musical instrument that very familiar to me. Growing older, I learned the Beatles, I learned the meaning of the songs, and that is the new world for me. A world in which various feelings very strongly touch my heart. In the ruin of the first half century with bullet and gunpowder, the 1960 made resurrection by singing out loud the song of the Beatles. Like the grass growing under a fire forest, a little notice. The green of that rapidly covered the wound of our heart. Therefore, it's simple to see thousands of little Maria. They brought with them wherever they go, and even they couldn't have it because this was real life. I have listened to the song Let It Be many times, but I never associated it. Because every time I listen, every time I find myself back. Every time I find myself back, I realize that it's better to say where I am. The way I want to be, let everything come naturally. Let it be like a philosophy, let it be like a philosophy and like tranquilizer. But do not invite people to give up, to fight to the last root. And upon let it be the words of wisdom as anything. People stand still with confidence is considered wisdom. So just let it be, nothing to accept, everything will be alright. Up through until now. Up until now, the 8th of December 1980s is the successor of the one who led the Beatles. John Lennon is sorrowfully long blessings has been honored as a symbol of peace. His most famous song, Imagine, has become an anthem for peace. And through the song, I can learn that John One Piece, he has denied everything that's important to a person, no country, no religion, no possession of the united world. So Jonathan Imagine has become an idol to me. England has many things that impress me, but the Beatles is the most. Children young people today may not know about Beatles, but for me, for millions of people in the 20th century, they are immortal. So, thank you for listening.
The first question. What's your favorite subject at school?
Of course, English.
Yeah. What does it say? What subject did you want to study in the UK?
I want to study science.
Science? That's all? Yeah. What career would you like to have when you have finished studying in the UK?
I want to be a professor of science, scientific professor.
Okay, the last question. Why did you choose this topic to talk about today?
As I said, the Beatles that impressed me with the one that impressed me the most. And I listened to them from seeing the days I was just a little boy until now. And I still listen to them. And they are so familiar to me. But children, there's not much about them, so